Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today's video, we will fix this network adapter code 31 error in which device is not working properly. So we will fix it today. So let's start. So firstly, you have to just go to the registry editor. So you have to just type registry editor in the search bar and then you have to open this. So click on yes. And at here, so you have to just firstly, you have to save this file if something bad happens so you can import it. So first you have to just export this file anywhere in the system. You have to just type file name and click on save and after this, when you want to import file, so you have to just click on file and then go to the import and then select the file that you saved. So after this, you have to just go to the H key local machine. This is the location that I want to go. H key local machine, then system, then current control set, then control, and then network. So firstly, I have to just go to H key local machine, then system, and in system, I have to just go to the current control set, and in at here I have to go to control, and in control I have to just go to the network option. So here it is the folder network, so I have to just click on it, and at here I have to just find out the file of config. As you can see, there are two files, default and filter class. There is not any config file. If you found config file in your system, so you have to just right click on it and then delete that file. It will be solve your problem. If issue still persists, so you have to just move to the second step, which is basically device manager. So you have to just type device manager and then go to the device manager. In device manager, you have to just go to the network adapter, and at here you have to just choose that adapter which is showing the error. So as you can see, I have just select this one and go to the properties of this adapter, and at here I have to just select the details tab, and in details tab I have to select the property, and in property I have to select the hardware IDs option. In hardware IDs I have to select this one and copy it, and then I have to just go to the browser and then paste this hardware ID and then select my system. As you can see, my system is HP, but in your case it could be Lenovo and Dell and something else. So you have to just type your system and press enter. So you have to just go to the driver identifier. Here it is, the driver identifier. So yeah, you have to just open this link, and in driver identifier you have to just download the driver of your system. As you can see here, it is Lenovo, HP, Intel. So my system is HP, so I have to just click on the download button here, and then I have to just install this driver. So by doing this, my issue will be fixed. If your issue still persists, so you have to just go to the third step, which is basically uninstall. So you have to just go to the again device manager, and at here you have to just right click on the specific driver that causes the problem. So you have to just click on uninstall device, and by clicking on uninstall device you have to just restart your PC and it will be solve your problem. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.